what you need to understand is that there is no more urgent crisis than the abduction of a child. Now, we get caught up in the fact that when we talk about abduction, that we think of somebody who is physically taken and taken to another place. But abduction is so much more than that. Understand that your child could live under your roof day to day, sleep in their own bed, but mentally have been abducted and taken to a whole nother place that you never intended for them to live, and really that they never intended to live themselves. There are a few things that have changed over time. Probably as I speak to you, mom and dad, or grandpa and grandma, the way that predators work. The predatory behavior is nothing new, but their strategies and the way they do things are much different today. Today, predators are much more transient. They're much more sophisticated with social media, being able to hack into different areas of people's lives without them even knowing. They're more brutal than they ever have been, and that just has come with our society as we begin to walk backwards and compare a PG-rated movie in the 1980s or the 1990s compared to a PG movie now in the 2020s. Things have changed and have become much more brutal. And predators attack our most precious of assets, being our children. And that's why it's important that we talk about that, modern day media. And it's important that we talk about this. Uncomfortable? Absolutely. But vital nonetheless.
For more information about how you, your business, or your community can be empowered to recognize and report human trafficking and the sexual exploitation of minors, or how you can protect the kids in your life against victimization, visit us at americaunchained.org. The America Unchained Project, empowering everyone to take their place in the fight against human trafficking and the sexual exploitation of minors.